Hari Om. In this video, we are going to learn about the styles option. This option is usually seen when you click on this A icon and we start editing text. This is on the extreme left lower side. Let's open this styles option. It is having two parts, browse and save. We will open this browse option. So by default they have given some samples like sample 1, sample 2. All these are the samples. If we click the sample, that particular pattern or style will be applied to the text. So this is the function of the styles. If we click on this, whatever text we have written, that will get converted into different style. Now we will see the second part, this save option. It is very useful option. Whenever we create a particular style, we can save it and we can use the same style in any document or in any new image where we are adding text. This we will delete first. We will add new text. Double click this. Write some new text. Okay. Now we will apply some styles to this text. Like we will change color. Okay. We will change the font. My fonts. See, I have imported some of the fonts. There are tutorials on the same Aniruddha's Creative Learners YouTube channel in which I have explained how to import different fonts in the Pixel Lab. So I am applying this Poppins bold. So we can see here the text has become bold. We will apply 3D text. And this shadow option. Now we want this particular pattern in whichever document we are making a new, if we are making a new document, in that document also if we want the same text effect, same style, then this styles option is very useful. You have to just go to styles and save here. Save the current text as a new style. Okay. Now we can see that it has come. Browse and click on my styles. Here you can see that we have created a new style. Now I will delete this and I will write something else. There is a trick using which you can convert this text into capital. You have to click on this TNT icon. It gets converted into capital letters, uppercase. Now I want the same style on this text, Hari Om. So I will go to styles, browse, my styles and click on this. And same style is applied on this text. So this styles option is very useful. Hari Om Shri Ram Abhadnya. Thank you.